Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the head unit model and current firmware. That determines which Carplay, Android Auto, or Zlink package you need. Once identified, back up your phone and head unit settings via USB or the manufacturer app, because updates can reset preferences. Make sure the vehicle battery is above 50% and your hotspot or Wi-Fi is stable. This prevents mid-update interruptions. Now plug a reliable USB cable into the head unit and prepare the PC or phone with the downloaded update files. You will now load the update onto the head unit. Copy the firmware or app package, bin, zip, to a FAT32 or XFAT USB drive or to an SD card. Once inserted, enter the head unit system update menu, choose external media and select the correct file. Pay attention to file names. Start the install and watch the progress bar. Do not power off the car, remove media, or disconnect power. Interruptions can brick the unit. If prompted, confirm factory resets only after the update completes. Once installation finishes, the unit reboots. You should then reconnect your phone by USB and Bluetooth to test Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Zlink functionality. If things look different, restore settings from your backup and update any companion apps on the phone. Make sure to pair and grant permissions so media and navigation work. If an app fails, retry the update using the official firmware package and a different USB drive. If still broken, perform a cache clear or factory reset, then reapply the update as a final fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.